how to fix this account violated WhatsApp age requirement problem. So if you want to fix this account violated WhatsApp age requirement problem, so you may have this kind of interface which says this account violates WhatsApp's age requirements. So here on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have an option of go to Facebook. You need to tap on go to Facebook and open up your Facebook, and it will navigate to your Facebook, right? You need to select your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then you need to go with settings, which will be on the top left. Go with the three horizontal lines, go with settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the account center section, and under account center, go with personal details, and then you need to go and change your date of birth on your Facebook and also your Google account as well. Go with personal details, tap on birthday and edit your birthday. Make sure that it should be over 18. Once you update your date of birth on your Facebook, go to your Google account and then change your birthday on your Google account as well. Once done, you can go back and then check if your problem has been fixed, or if not, then you can just simply open up your Play Store and then go with search, and under search you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, just simply go and update it and just restart your device, and after restarting, the problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.